Hello, this is CyberDragon. Today I'm going to talk about how to use instrumental multi-plug to check your batteries on the inside of an outlet. It's like right here. See how if it's connected correctly. First thing, they have some open ground. It'll check if it has the white part, like one white, yellow, one white. So open ground, open neutral, open hot, hot grade, rev, ground, reverse, hot neutral, and correct. This is a brand from Gardner Bender. You can get this at Harbor Freight Tools or Home Depot, Lowe's, relatively cheap, about $5. Okay. What it comes with is some instructions in English and Spanish. Just read the English side, things in the inside. It's an outlet tester. Here's the specifications: 120 VAC, 60 gigahertz, operational. How to operate it, and it notices. If it's like 3 whites, that's pretty much mean it has no power and it's almost about to die. Okay. Here's a testing example. Just stick it in. It's 2 lights. Okay. 2 lights indicates it is correct. Let's see what camera focus. Yeah, okay. 2 lights is correct. And it shows, let's check my other plug. Same plug. Reverse it backwards. This has no light. That means the outlet need to be switched. If you push it in, it's 2 lights. But outlet needs to be switched because it's already there. If you like this show, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video everyone so they know what a open ground meter is, and it's both on both sides. It's out of tester, you can do it this way or this way, depending where your outlet is facing. First, this is the original, this is the reverse. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.